Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I am making homemade lemonade. Hey there everyone, welcome back. We've all had that amazing glass of ice cold lemonade and wondered why all lemonades can't be that good. Remember the last time when you ordered a lemonade and were disappointed because it was too weak or too sweet or too much pulp? That's the beauty of making lemonade at home. Today, I am going to be sharing with you all some tips and tricks on how to make homemade lemonade. So let's get started. First, start with 2 cups of water and 2 cups of sugar to a simmer on the stove, while occasionally stirring until the liquid is clear, which means the sugar has completely dissolved in the water. This is called a simple syrup. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, you can set aside. Now before you juice a lemon, it helps when you roll it between your palm and the counter or a cutting board like so to release the juices. Then slice it in half right in the middle. Now it's time to juice the lemons. There's many different juicing products you can use, but I like using hand juicing tools for lemonade. For example, this one that I'm using. I love how it filters the juice and catches all the seeds, and it fits perfectly on my glass measuring cup. Then keep on going until you have 2 cups of lemon juice. To reach 2 cups of lemon juice, it took about 4 pounds of lemons, but all lemons vary on how much lemon juice they have. But I find that 4 pounds of lemons is a good amount. Now since we don't like pulp in our lemonade, I strain my lemon juice through a strainer into a pitcher. But of course, if you like pulp in your lemonade, feel free to pour it directly into your pitcher. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then take that simple syrup and pour it in with that lemon juice. You can then give it a stir and now you have lemonade concentrate. And you can freeze it if you would like to have it in big batches. You could freeze it in portions to serve it all throughout the summer. That way you can have freshly squeezed lemonade all summer long. To serve, you would just add water and ice to taste. We add a little bit less water because we like our lemonade a little tart. But just keep tasting it and adjust the water to your personal taste. Now, if you guys would like to turn this into a fruit lemonade, you would simply just add the fruit to the lemonade concentrate. So you can add raspberries for raspberry lemonade, or like our favorite, strawberries for strawberry lemonade. You would just smash them up and mix them in with that concentrate. We also like making ice cubes with this lemonade. That way, they won't water down the lemonade like regular ice cubes would. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!